fried fish fillets. Today let's make spicy baked fish fillets with less oil for a healthier option.
As an old friend, you know I love experimenting with different seasonings in recipes. Today, I'll use the spicy chicken seasoning to marinate the fish fillets.
Besides fish fillets, I've also used this spicy seasoning powder to fry rice and make crispy king oyster mushrooms. Anyone who has tried it knows how delicious it is. The ingredients are simply fish fillets and spicy seasoning powder. That's all it takes to create a delicious dish. Rinse the fish fillets, pat them dry with a paper towel, then apply the seasoning powder evenly to marinate. Remember to coat both sides of the fillets with the seasoning powder. No need to add extra salt since the seasoning powder is already perfectly flavored. Line a baking tray with aluminum foil, brush on a layer of cooking oil, then place the fish fillets on top. Drizzle a little oil over the fillets, and they're ready to be baked or air-fried. You can also air fry or deep fry, just choose the method that suits your preference and convenience. Personally, I prefer baking in a convection oven, which gives the fish fillets a crispy skin while keeping the meat tender, fresh, and delicious. Bake for 20 minutes, then flip and bake for another 5 minutes. Super easy. After flipping, continue baking. I've tried air frying before. The result is crispier, but the meat doesn't stay as tender and juicy as when baked in a convection oven.
The spicy baked fish fillets are done just out of the oven, and they smell absolutely amazing.
This spicy baked fish fillet recipe is simple and delicious. When you're busy, just season the fish and let it bake. Then it's ready to eat. Fish is rich in high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals, which are particularly important for cardiovascular and brain health. Moderate consumption of fish helps reduce inflammation and improve memory, making it an essential part of a balanced diet. It is recommended to eat fish at least twice a week to benefit from its unique nutritional value. For the elderly, consuming fish in moderation, such as baked fish fillets, helps maintain cardiovascular and cerebrovascular health, delays cognitive decline, and provides high-quality protein to enhance physical fitness. Its tender texture and easy digestibility also make it more suitable for older adults' gastrointestinal absorption. It is recommended to choose boneless fish and use light cooking methods to balance nutrition and safety. For women, the omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein in fish help regulate endocrine function, slow skin aging, and alleviate menstrual discomfort. Regular consumption can also support weight management and bone health, making it particularly beneficial during pregnancy and lactation. It is recommended to cook fish with vegetables to enhance iron absorption and overall nutritional balance. For patients, fish serves as a low-fat and easily digestible source of high-quality protein, aiding in post-surgery recovery and restoring physical strength. Its anti-inflammatory components, such as omega-3, can help alleviate chronic inflammatory conditions. It is recommended to choose suitable fish varieties and use light cooking methods under medical guidance to avoid adding digestive burden. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right?
My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.